Be quite delicate, so you don't leave any bits ripped off behind. And there it is, and you'll notice I've done that around the sides as well. Looks really cool, doesn't it? Your own personal storage box.
Hey, Kirst, fancy giving us a hand with this?
I'm not going to stencil that.
Oh. Go on, try branching out.
Well, we've had a real taste of the countryside today, but it's time for us to head over the hill and far away.
Yes, it sure is, but see you next time on Smart. Bye.
Bye.
Well, now you've used all your petals up, you've got more room in those big books of yours to press more...
All right.
Sorry. Well, I thought, as you've got so many dried flowers in your books...
Let me look at you just to get the surprise of your ridiculous face out the way.